This is lecture 3 of basic tutorials of HFSS software. In this lecture we are going to discuss how to draw an object, how to set their x-axis, y-axis and z-axis with two different ways, and how we can change those parameters. And after that we will see what are the features of 2D objects and 3D objects. And after that we will check out the object color when it is selected, when it is not selected, and how we can change the object color and how we can set the default color for unselected and different objects. Let's start. First of all, you can check from here, just left click. The 2D modeler draws has been checked out. First, to draw 2D object, here is a rectangle. Just click on the position where you want to make it and set the parameter from here, left down corner. Here you can see that x-axis, y-axis, d of x and d of y, because it is a 2D object, so dz is 0. Just set the value. For example, I am going to set 4, dx 4 and dy is 5. Just click on enter. dy is 5. Just click enter. This is a rectangle. If I want to draw a rectangle on a random position, for example from x-axis at 10 and y-axis at 10, so how we will draw that? First click on rectangle, then set first x value here at 10 and y at 10. Here you can see that x10 and y10. Just click on enter. Here is automatically set up starting point. There is a position which is a distance from x-axis is 10 mm and from y-axis is 10 mm. Now after that, again select the final position of dx, which is 15, and final position of dy, same 15. And after that just click enter. The rectangle has been drawn. Just go to view and fit all. Here you can see that you can select starting position and final position, but just on screen. If you want to change their position, just click on that object, this one, and double press here. From here you can change the position of it. For example, I am going to change it to 3, and you can also change the position, starting position. These two rectangles are basically 2D objects, so they will be in a sheet, and when we will draw 3D object, that will be in solid. Now we will discuss the future of these 2D objects. You can just change the name of that. And you can change the color of that object. For example, I am going to change it to a green. And you can also change the transparency. And just click on OK. Here name is changed into model 1. But this color that I have changed from up to green, that will be showed when the object is not selected. Just click on a side, you will see here this is not selected, the green. When it is selected, it will be in pink color. How we can change the color of default color? Just go into tools and option, and third one is modular option and display. Here when the object is selected, its color is pink. You can change the default color from here. Here is the option. When it is selected, that will be color. You can change it whatever you want. For example, I am going to change it to a yellow. Okay. When it is selected, it will show in color yellow. Similarly, second object. Go into tools and option and modular option and display. Similarly, you can change again. And second option is when the object is not selected. When both the objects are not selected, default color is this one. If we have not assigned any color. Here you can see that from this rectangle we have assigned a green color, but this has been not assigned, so it is showing this color. We can change it also. When highlighted, we have assigned this color. Similarly, you can change the colors of when it is selected, when it is not selected. You can change all those colors. In a second window of modular 1, here we can change the position, x-axis and y-axis. Here you can see that in a sheets these two rectangles have been entered, but they are unassigned. The reason is that we must assign in a material, for example perfect T or any other property. We will discuss that when we create an example model. Now we are going to draw in a 3D object. Here is a box. Starting position, if I want to draw it at 5, x-axis at 5 and y-axis at 5, just enter here. Just enter the value in these boxes. First at 5 mm and y-axis is 5 mm, and just press on enter. You can see here the starting position of a box, and secondly what will be the end position in this way. At 8, dx is 8 and dy 8. Just press enter. This is the second position. Then after that we are going to create an upward or downward, because it is in a 3D object. The dx, now we are going to assign dx also 5 millimeter. Just press enter. Here is our box. Here you can see that the 2D objects are entered into sheet, but 3D objects are in solid. Similarly, you can change their color, also change name of it, and here is assignment. We will discuss that we can change the material of it from the library of HFSS. Just click on OK. Their color has been changed to a blue. You can change default color simply by going on tools option and model option. From here you can change the further color of these objects. And second position, if you want to again change their position, for example, I am going to change from 8 to 10 millimeter and 8 to 10 millimeter, and also height. Just press on OK. By property window you can check the properties of any object. Here is property window. Just select an object. Here is the properties of that object. Substrate, model, rectangle. Next lecture we will discuss how we can view an object in different ways.